It is very nice to have you here. I would have liked to offer
Thank
you
you. Thank you.
a refreshing beverage, but because of the distance, अपने अपने घरों में आप पानी पी के काम चला लो. फिर जब आमने
Thank you
सामने
so much.
बैठेंगे तो फिर कुछ बेटर पी पाएंगे. वेल, बॉर्डर गावस्कर ट्रॉफी शुरू हो गई थी 22 नवंबर को, लेकिन आईपीएल ऑक्शन ने कुछ ज्यादा ही अच्छा स्पेशल अपीयरेंस कर दिया. बट नाउ ऑल ऑफ दैट इज आउट ऑफ द वे, विच इज व्हाई विद द मेन गेम वी आल्सो हैव आवर मेन मैन फॉर द वेरी फर्स्ट टाइम, शेल्डन जैक्सन. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर जॉइनिंग मी. वेलकम टू
Thank
स्पोर्ट्स
thank
क्लब.
you, Supriya. Thank you so much, Supriya.
अभी दिसंबर 6 से शुरू होगा डे नाइट टेस्ट मैच, द पिंक बॉल टेस्ट. क्विक कॉन्टेक्स्ट यहाँ पर, ऑफ कोर्स आमना सामना है ऑस्ट्रेलिया और इंडिया का. ऑस्ट्रेलिया वो वाला देश जो इस पर्टिकुलर फॉर्मेट में सबसे ज्यादा सक्सेसफुल रही है. 12 में से उन्होंने 11 मैचेस जीते हैं. और सामने है इंडिया. इंडिया ने अभी तक सिर्फ 4 ऐसे टेस्ट मैचेस खेले हैं जिसमें से वो सिर्फ एक हारे हैं. जो शेल्डन कौन से वाला है
The Australia one.
का?
Yeah, like what you're saying, I totally agree. Yeah, like Australia have won a lot more matches,
हाँ.
but to be honest, they only played one against India. Just now, in world cricket, especially in world test cricket, if anyone can dominate Australia, that's India at the moment. If you see batting head to head, at the moment, we have, yes, if you take out Virat, KL, and Rohit Sharma, we have a very new, refreshing players. But in ability, we are way ahead of the Australians, and we proved that. We proved that in the first Test match. Bowling में कोई बात ही नहीं है. Jasprit
Absolutely.
Bumrah, according to me, he has been our biggest match winner. Many times it goes unnoticed, but according to me and my opinion, he has been our biggest match winner in any color. In any color, ball का रंग change कर दो, doesn't matter. He is our biggest match winner. So this match, according to me, I feel it's really going to be exciting because the Australians are hurt and our Indian team is hungry.
Oh, they're very hungry. And while what you said is correct, that, in the past, Bumrah may have gone unnoticed. I think with that first test match, the only person who was talked about primarily was Bumrah. But before, we get into the hows and whys of what we can expect in the pink ball test, a quick refresher from you, because yes, Indian fans में सबको सब पता है जहाँ पे क्रिकेट कंसर्न्ड है. लेकिन फिर भी आपका एक क्रिकेटर का नजरिया है. सो फ्रॉम योर पर्सपेक्टिव, व्हाट वुड यू से आर द प्राइमरी डिफरेंसेस बिटवीन pink ball and the red ball, both in terms of playing conditions and what sort of challenges they bring up for the players then?
See, I was very fortunate to play the first edition of the Bilip Trophy when the BCCI introduced the pink ball.
Mm-hmm.
When all the Indian stars, Test match stars, and the ODI stars, in fact, everyone was playing that the first edition of the Bilip Trophy. I was very fortunate to be a part of that. To be very honest, there's a huge difference because first the timings, the
Mm.
conditions, then the pink ball, it doesn't swing a lot. It seems a lot, and you have to leave a lot more on the wicket. I mean, जैसे कि घास बहुत ज्यादा छोड़ना पड़ेगा wicket पे to keep the color of the ball intact
Hmm.
because the pink ball loses its sheen a lot faster than the red ball. The red ball is very easy to maintain. The pink ball is not very easy to maintain. So you have to leave a lot more on the wicket. As in kick ball, थोड़ा ज्यादा घास छोड़ना पड़ेगा so that the color of the ball doesn't go away that fast. And it gets very hard for the batters to pick. Twilight ke time pe, it gets
Hmm.
very hard for the batters to pick, and that's the time that the ball starts seeming a lot more, and it even starts skidding a lot more. You feel like the ball is coming a lot more quicker to you rather than like start of the day. लाल बॉल में क्या होता है कि आप स्पेशली इन इंडिया आप 9:30 बजे स्टार्ट करते हो. यहाँ पे इंडिया में आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट इंडियन कंडीशंस
Hmm.
कि अगर आप इंडिया में पिंक बॉल टेस्ट खेलो तो आप 2:30 बजे स्टार्ट करते हो. सो you as a bowler you lose out on a lot more, but then you make up for it when the twilight starts. So that is one big difference where I feel that our batters can get challenged, but there was a big gap, 10 days का gap था.
Right.
So I am sure जो अपना कोचिंग मैनेजमेंट है अभी जो अपना इंडियन टीम का मैनेजमेंट है गौतम भाई अभिषेक भाई I played with them, played against them, played under them.
Right.
I know they will keep everyone on their toes because yes, if the players are hungry, those two gentlemen, they are very, very hungry.
So if India win the toss, what would you think they should do first?
I think, hmm, I think they should bowl. I particularly think they should bowl. The reason being is that Rohit Sharma is coming back.
Hmm.
Shubman Gill will come back. They will get a little more time to breathe. Although they don't need it, but they'll just get a little more time to breathe. And our bowlers are already in form because अगर आप देखने जाओ तो जो पिछला टेस्ट मैच था, if you go to see, the actual winners of the match are our bowlers.
Correct.
So they are already in form. They have got enough rest. 10 दिन का enough rest मिल गया है. So and they will be more hungrier, you know, कि यार यहाँ किया है अब यहाँ भी करेंगे. Let's put Australia under pressure. उनको पूरा दफना ही देते. So
But
just give the ball into Jasprit Bumrah's hands.
all right. But the reason I also asked that was जो आपने ट्वाइलाइट वाली बात कही, अगर ऐसा
Hmm.
होता है कि हमारे बॉलर्स एक बार फिर से बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्म करते हैं, पूरे ऑस्ट्रेलियन बैटिंग लाइनअप को उन्होंने पहले दिन में ही आउट कर दिया, बट देन दैट
जी.
मीन्स दैट वी एंड अप स्टार्टिंग टू बैट इन दैट ट्वाइलाइट सॉर्ट ऑफ जोन. तो वो कितना रिस्की होगा या कितना मुश्किल हो सकता है फिर हमारे लिए, या उसको अवॉइड कैसे कर सकते हैं फिर?
यार वो टाइम को तो आप अवॉइड कर ही नहीं सकते हो क्योंकि
हम्म.
अगर पहले दिन नहीं तो दूसरे दिन नहीं तो तीसरे दिन आपको बैटिंग तो करनी ही करनी है.
राइट.
लेकिन क्या होगा है कि अगर पहले दिन आप फील्डिंग करते हो तो बिकॉज यू डोंट प्ले पिंक बॉल टेस्ट मैचेस सो ऑफन सो फ्रीक्वेंटली, you give yourself the time to adjust in
हम्म.
the field to the light, to the conditions, to the wicket. So you give yourself a lot of time to adjust. And a batter needs that time. Even though if he's standing in the field, if he gets himself adjusted to that light, that will be very helpful to him when he comes out to bat. So that is one reason that I said that, bowl first.
Now I want to talk about our batting lineup because, like you said, रोहित शर्मा इज बैक, गिल इज बैक, एंड ये प्राइम मिनिस्टर वर्सेस 11 जो मैच हुआ था वहां पर देखने को
Hmm.
मिला कि जो हमारा ओपनिंग पेयर है दैट कंटिन्यू टू बी जायसवाल एंड राहुल, बट अभी भी कोई
Yeah.
कॉन्फर्मेशन नहीं है बिकॉज गौतम गंभीर wasn't there when
Yeah.
that practice match happened. तो अब जब फाइनली ये लोग जाएंगे मैदान में December 6 को, who do you think should open for India? Who might, we don't know, but आपके हिसाब से who would be the best opening pair, and then रोहित शर्मा कहाँ पर खेल सकते हैं?
See, the beauty of this is that even KL Rahul, Rohit Sharma, and Shubman Gill, they are very flexible,
Hmm.
especially with the batting order. They can bat anywhere, wherever the team needs. Now, the thing is that how flexible will Rohit Sharma be? Is he flexible to come down the order? Down the order मतलब 3 नंबर पे भी आ सकते हैं वो, 5 नंबर पे भी आ सकते हैं. अभी देखने जाए सिर्फ नंबर 1 और नंबर 4 श्योर है, बाकी everyone can be moved. So, and the way I saw it and the way I felt, I'm a big fan of KL Rahul. The way he batted, even in the first innings and the second innings, he deserves to be on top. He really deserves to be on top. Rohit Sharma can come down to number 3, Virat number 4, Shubman number 5, and then you have Rishabh. So if we can manage, to get our batters in this line, I think it'll be very helpful for us because that adds a lot of depth to our batting. And then after that, I think for this match, they might get Ravindra Jadeja back in.
Mm-hmm.
So that adds a lot more depth because yes, Ravindra also has amazing batting abilities. We have seen that. According to me, the opening should remain the same because yes, we won that match and the opening partnership in the second innings played a very crucial role in us winning that match. So, and as I said, Gautam Bhai and Rohit Sharma, they have always put the team first above themselves. So I think they should stick with that.
I'm very happy with the answer, and I will pick up your tab at the sports pub because of this answer. But at the same point, अगर इंडिया की ओपनिंग थोड़ी सी अंडर डिबेट है, तो ऑस्ट्रेलिया की भी ओपनिंग सॉर्टेड नहीं है बिकॉज यस, पहले मैच में उन्होंने उस्मान ख्वाजा और नेथन मैक्सवीनी के साथ ओपन किया, बट क्लियरली नेथन मैक्सवीनी हाउ ग्रीन ही वाज बिकेम वेरी एविडेंट वेरी क्विकली. आपको लगता है कि वो उन्हीं के साथ इस मैच में भी रहेंगे, या फिर वो भी कोई चेंजेस ट्राई कर सकते हैं?
See, यार मेरे को लगता है एक मैच बहुत जल्दी है किसी को भी जज करने के लिए,
हम्म।
स्पेशली एक बैटर को, और वो भी किसके सामने? जसप्रीत बुमराह के सामने. It's to be very honest, it's very unfair on the batters if they are judged,
हम्म।
because yeah, you are facing a world class bowler, world class match winner. I honestly feel that he should get one more opportunity.
चलो दे दो यार प्लीज, ऑस्ट्रेलिया दे दो। आई एम तो वेरी हैप्पी इफ ही कम्स आउट टू बैट अगेन। और एक
Even
और
Bumrah will
चीज।
be very happy.
तो नेथन मैक्सवेनी को पूछना पड़ेगा, भैया हाउ हैप्पी आर यू? और आर यू विशिंग कि नहीं मुझे नहीं जाना वापस, पहले बुमराह को थोड़ा सा टायर आउट होने दो, कुछ भी होने दो। आई डोंट नो इफ दैट मैन गेट्स टायर्ड, टच टच। बट देन द अदर चेंज दैट वी डू नो इज डेफिनेटली हैपनिंग इज जॉश हेजलवुड्स आउट एंड स्कॉट बोलैंड्स इन। अब स्कॉट बोलैंड के अगर डे नाइट टेस्ट को देखें तो दो डे नाइट टेस्ट खेले हैं जिसमें उनका एवरेज 13.71 है, फॉर्मिडेबल
Okay.
नंबर। लेकिन साथ ही में अगर बोलैंड का रीसेंट फॉर्म देखे तो बहुत ज्यादा क्रिकेट नहीं खेला है, क्योंकि इंजरी के चलते वो खेल नहीं पाए थे। और अभी रिसेंटली ही
Yeah.
हेजलवुड के बाहर जाने के बाद, ऑल्दो ही हैज बिन प्रैक्टिसिंग इन द नेट्स, ही इज बेसिकली बिन inculcated back into the team. How big a threat is he going to be? And what all do the Indian side need to be wary of where he's concerned? Because बाकी सबके against खेल चुके हैं, but he's the new bowler.
यार मुझे ऐसे लगता है कि more than the bowler, our Indian batsmen must be thinking conditions.
Hmm.
For them, the threat is the conditions, not the bowler. क्योंकि अगर conditions are supporting the bowler, फिर कोई भी जाके वहां डाल दे बॉल, कुछ ना कुछ करने ही वाला है.
हाँ.
तो Indian batters at the moment, whenever they go into practice, into the nets, into match simulations or whatever, however they're practicing, they'll be practicing conditions more rather than bowlers. Because if you practice for conditions, then no matter who the bowler is, you are ready. And again and again, why am I saying this? Is because I have played under these people
Hmm.
as captains, as coaches, under Abhishek Nair, he who is the assistant coach, the batting coach at the moment. So he will prepare you for conditions. He will
So
not
since
prepare you for certain bowlers.
okay, so since you have played under him, you've trained under him, what is his way to approach training for such conditions?
Quantity, a lot and a lot of quantity. If you're
Okay.
up for it, if you're willing, a lot of quantity with the correct intensity, with the correct match intensity, and he will prepare you for conditions. Like they must have known a few days ago that what they're going to play, who they're going to play against. Like as you said, if
Hmm.
Scott Boland is coming back, what are his strengths? From what length is he effective? They will know all that, and they will try to apply all that into the practice sessions so that once again when a batters come out, they are already ready for the fight.
So we've established that this is definitely a bigger challenge for the batters, but then which means that the bowlers get a lot more help both from the pitch and the ball, right? So if we look at the Indian side, who all do you think can make up the Indian bowling attack? Because I don't think the Prime Minister versus the India match was really any sort of indication about whom we might actually see playing on December 6th.
See, I don't think our fast bowlers will remain the same. I think there's no debate about that.
Okay.
Jasprit,
Yes.
Siraj, of
Hmm.
course, then the all-rounder Nitish Reddy, who had a fantastic debut. Harshit Rana, his place is a little debatable.
Okay.
Maybe Akashdeep may get a look in, but
Mm-hmm.
I am not very sure about that as well, because the sole reason is because India won the first test match,
Hmm.
and somewhere or the other, I see Ravindra Jadeja coming back in.
Okay.
I honestly feel, and I very strongly feel that he should be a part of the playing 11, no matter where in the world.
Any reason why you prefer Jadeja over Ashwin, even though Ashwin has had more success with the pink ball?
Ravindra can win you matches with the ball.
Hmm.
He can do it with the bat, and he is a gun fielder. Those
Hmm.
half chances that change the momentum of the match, he has that unique ability in him. So that is one reason. I'm not saying that R Ashwin doesn't. He equally has all these abilities.
No,
Maybe he
absolutely.
has, maybe even he has better bowling abilities. But if you're playing four seamers, like three seamers and the all rounder, then you'll only play one spinner.
Right at the beginning of the conversation, I laid out that Australia has the better record than India in terms
Hmm.
of the pink ball test. But who do you think has the upper hand, if either side, going into this match? Because yes, history is with Australia, but even if we go back to that 2020 match where India was
Yeah,
36 all out,
a lot.
in the first innings, India had a better score than Australia. And then, of course, there's the whole fact that India is going to be riding on a lot of optimism with this 295 run victory. And I'm sure Australia somewhere, no matter how much they say, oh, we are not at all daunted and we are unfazed by this
Hmm.
whole thing, कहीं ना कुछ तो हुआ ही होगा ना उनके भी confidence को.
100% हुआ होगा, 100%, बिकॉज जितना भी मैं ऑस्ट्रेलियन प्लेयर्स के साथ in the IPL, I've shared the dressing room with them, whatever I've seen them.
Hmm.
When it comes to the game, they are very egoistic players. They may not show it, but yes, it does hurt them. It does pinch them. They don't like losing. They really don't like losing. वो
Hmm.
दिखाते होंगे हाँ हमको कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा है ये वो, लेकिन बहुत फर्क पड़ा होगा. आप मेरे ही घर में आके मुझे पीटो तो मुझे फर्क पड़ने ही वाला है, चाहे मैं दुनिया को दिखाऊं या ना दिखाऊं.
हाँ,
अपनी इंडियन टीम ने वो ही किया, उनके घर में जाके उनको पीटा है.
correct.
पहली इनिंग में 150 रन पे ऑल आउट होने के बाद यशस्वी जायसवाल एक यंगस्टर जो शायद जो पहली बार वहां खेल,
Hmm.
क्या इनिंग्स खेला है वो, और किसके सामने मिचेल स्टार्क को उसके ही घर में स्लेज कर रहा है कि तू मुझे धीमे डाल. तो वो दिखाते नहीं है, वो दिखाते नहीं है, लेकिन उनको भी दुख 100% दुख रहा होगा. और हाँ, उनके पास स्टैटिस्टिक एडवांटेज है, लेकिन
Hmm.
मोमेंटम हमारे पास है. और ये गेम इज ऑल अबाउट मोमेंटम. हु हैज द मोमेंटम, उनको हमेशा हमेशा हेल्प मिलती है.
All right, and I'm going to keep my fingers crossed कि momentum हमारे पास बना रहे, because you know what, just like the Australian team, I don't know how much of the Australian media you followed in the run up to the Border Gavaskar Trophy, but before the series had started, all over the Australian media was just shooting its mouth off about how it's going to be a 4-1 victory to Australia, even a 5-0 victory to Australia. उसके बाद जो इंडियन टीम ने किया है, they managed to shut up a lot of skeptics. उस चीज को मद्देनजर रखते हुए, I thought instead of asking you for just direct predictions, because they also tend to be a little over the top at times, I'll ask you some other questions. ठीक है? So,
ठीक
who
है.
do you think will be the most important batter for India?
ये मैच में के थ्रू आउट द सीरीज,
नहीं, ये वाले मैच में.
मेरे हिसाब से दो,
हाँ.
जायसवाल और ऋषभ पंत.
ओके. एंड बुमराह के साथ कौन सा दूसरा बॉलर उनका साथ दे पाएगा?
यही मैच के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं ना हम.
इसी मैच के लिए.
मेरे को सिराज लग रहा है, सिराज, और अगर रविंद्र जडेजा खेल रहा है तो
ओके. अच्छी है, दो आंसर. ओके.
दो.
ट्रैविस हेड की विकेट कौन लेगा?
द जो थर्ड बॉलर, जो थर्ड सीमर खेलेगा वो.
एंड इफ यू हैड टू टेक अ नेम,
If
लाइक
I
हु डू
had
यू
to
थिंक
take
द
a
थर्ड
name,
सीमर वुड बी?
either आकाशदीप और हर्षित राणा.
ओके. अच्छा, हर्षित राणा ने पिछले वाले मैच में भी ले लिया था वो. I wouldn't be surprised if he's all out to get it again. ऑस्ट्रेलिया का सबसे खतरनाक बॉलर कौन होगा?
With the pink ball, definitely Stark.
All right. And क्या ये टेस्ट मैच 5 दिन चल पाएगा?
मुझे लग रहा है, मुझे लग रहा है कि
Really?
हाँ, मुझे लग रहा है कि ऑस्ट्रेलिया वही कोशिश करेगी कि अगर उनको जीतना है ये टेस्ट मैच, तो पांचवें दिन के लास्ट सेशन में या पांचवें दिन पर ये टेस्ट मैच जीते. उन्होंने पहले मैच में देख लिया, थोड़ा फायरी विकेट देके क्या हुआ
हाँ.
उनका.
हाँ.
अब जैसे कि आई एम सेइंग, लाइक दे आर आल्सो वाइज पीपल, दे हैव a lot of data. They will not take this Indian team lightly, especially when Jasprit Bumrah is heading the bowling line.
Do you think Jasprit Bumrah can replicate his performance from the first test even in this second?
think he has already done it so many times.
क्या बात है.
And we don't need to think, he's done it over and over again. That's why today we all celebrate him as one of our best match winners now.
All right. Apologies for asking that question at all. और अगर मन है तो बता दो आपको क्या लग रहा है कौन जीतेगा?
I honestly feel whoever our country is playing against, I will always say my country. Hands down, I feel India will win. Not only this test match, I even feel they'll win this series.
What do you think is the biggest weakness, if any, that India has and that also Australia has right now? Something they want to address as they go into this match?
See, I feel India's weakness is कि जब भी विकेट्स गिरते हैं एक साथ गिरते हैं. अगर वो थोड़ा कंट्रोल कर पाए ना हम, तो I feel it is very difficult for any team to beat us, to defeat us. Australians का weakness ये है कि at the moment I feel that they don't even know what their actual strength is, because if you go to see the great Australian जो आप यार I've seen bowlers, I've heard bowlers like talk about certain batsmen, यार किसके सामने डालना है, मैं क्या करूंगा, कहाँ डालूंगा. अब वो नहीं है. Now that is changed. They batters are talking, यार we have to face Jasprit Bumrah. How will we face him? How will we survive him? Should we survive him? Should we attack him? What is our game plan going to be? So, there's a lot of shift. So our weakness is that if we can control that wickets ek saath na gire, we'll be very difficult to defeat anywhere in the world against any team. And Australians ka ye hai now they are not mighty anymore. And India has a big role to play in that.
I'm really hoping that your prediction comes true. Like I said,
I'm
going to
hoping
keep
that as well.
Like I said, we are going to keep our optimism and our skepticism a little tempered as opposed to the Australian media, and hope that India comes out on top at the end of this.
Hope so. Fingers crossed.
Yeah.